guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pin. But hold up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil, as well as, let's find it, Larimar Elixir. Here she go. Larimar Elixir, which is our all-natural blue tansy facial oil. This is a wonderful facial oil to put on your face. It balances the pH as well as soothes the skin, and is perfect for all skin types. So make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, and we will be adding facial soap soon, so I'm really excited for that. So you guys, in this episode of Test This Skincare Pin, we will be trying a baking soda and aloe vera mask. Now it is wintertime here in the desert, so I'm not really going to do the baking soda. I'm not going to use real aloe vera because my plant is dormant and I don't want to cut it off, because the last time I cut it off it hasn't grown back, and I know it takes, in the summertime it grows back quicker than it does in the winter, so it's really dormant right now, so I just don't want to mess with it. Okay, so we just gonna use store-bought aloe vera gel. So let me list off a few of the other ingredients besides pure aloe vera that it has in it. It has you know what, I'm gonna just list them down below because I really can't read it. I'm gonna list them somewhere in the comment. The first ingredient is aloe vera gel. It has tetrathalamine, tosapyryl. Okay, it's all Latin words for very scientific stuff that you put on your face. Probably some of it to preserve the aloe vera gel from going moldy, because you know aloe vera tends to mold if you keep it out too long. It also dries out, and it probably also preserves the color because most aloe vera turns brown. But it is other ingredients added to this. So before you decide to try this mask, just to let you know, there is aloe vera added to it. So I'm going to show you the first thing about this mask that I did. So it is baking soda, as I've said before, and aloe vera gel. So I will be using a 1/4 cup of baking soda. So let's just add a 1/4 cup of baking soda to this. Ooh, now I'm sorry y'all, the baking soda all in the throat. I want to say this mask is supposed to soothe your skin and make your skin clear. We all know aloe vera is helps soothe the skin, and it makes your skin clear. And I guess what the baking soda initially does is helps with scrubbing if you decide to scrub it. I don't know. This is what Pinterest said. Y'all know how Pinterest is. So I'm going to chop some of the clumps up. If you want to, you can use a strainer for this mask to get some of the clumps out. So yeah. I do always go into detail with these masks do on my blog at SavvyNaturalista.com, and that's with 1 V. So if you want to go to the blog, even if you do it with a V, if you go to the blog site of SavvyNaturalista.com, to the skincare store, to the our store, we have a blog, and you can see all the skincare DIYs, and all of them I do, and I go into much detail. So yeah, you guys. So you want to add this to it. Now this is the tricky part. You don't want to add too much. There's an ingredient here that reacts really bad with the baking soda, and I don't know which ingredient it is, so you want to add just a little bit. So we're just gonna add, I would say add as you go. So 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons is enough. Maybe just 1. I wouldn't chance it with 2. You want the mixture to be sort of milky, because if it's too hard, it will bubble up. So after I put the mask on my face, I'm gonna show y'all how it bubbles up. So here we go. Just put a little for now. Okay, so this is all I put. The light is probably too bright, but I didn't put a lot. Like I said, I put probably about 1 tablespoon. So you want to mix it in. That's just not enough. So essentially I'm gonna put a little more, not too much, because it'll bubble up, and then we'll have, it'll be like, you know, y'all science projects with kids. So I would literally mix it in as I go. Here we go. Probably a little more. Oh Lord, I feel like it's gonna bubble up. Oh, I'm having anxiety. Here we go. I think that's too much. We'll see. We'll see as we go. I'm gonna take a little bit to the side and show you how watery it gets. So this is the one with not too much. It still needs a little more. And this is the one with too much. It's about to get really watery, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna turn the light down. Okay, there we go. I hope y'all seeing this. So this is what it looks like watery. Can y'all see how watery it is? See? It gets worse than that. So that's why I was trying to intentionally tell you guys you don't want to put too much. So see, this is the side where it's really watery, and then you can see this side is more of a thick paste. So once I mix the watery and thick paste side, it will be probably just like exactly the same. So it'll be a nice paste. And y'all see. I'm happy I got to show you guys, because at first I thought it wasn't gonna, like I was gonna be able to. So you essentially want a smooth paste like this. So see how it's a thick paste now? So I think it took about, I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons, maybe a little more, I would say. And then we put it on our face. Oh, it feels so good. Side note, this is a perfect, like when I had sunburn, I used baking soda and aloe vera gel to actually heal my sunburn. Y'all know when I was, okay, that gray spatula wasn't working. So when I had sunburn, because y'all know I didn't, a few years ago, I really didn't think black people got sunburn. And then it was all over my face. And Josh told me, you have sunburn. I was like, what? Black people don't get sunburn? This is a lie. Well, look and behold, it really helped. But it really wasn't, oh my God, my eye is watery. But it really wasn't this stuff that helped. It was more of the natural aloe vera. So this is really burning. Oh my God, it's burning. Pictures, you lied to me. This is burning. Oh no. My eyes is watering. This is burning. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, this is horrible. Pinterest, you lied. Oh my God, you lied to me, Pinterest. This is not soothing. I think it's the aloe vera I use. It would have to be, because this is hurting. I should have known when it started bubbling up that this was, oh, yeah, I'm steady putting it on my face, but it really hurts, you guys. I'm taking one for the team. Oh my God. Oh. I got baking soda in my mouth. I'm trying not to swallow the baking soda, so if y'all just see, like, you know, me talking with like the wads of saliva in my mouth, it's the baking soda. My skin is irritated. I want to scratch it off, and I'm still talking. You know what? I'ma go. We'll be back. Oh my God, I gotta go. I'ma wash my hands, and then I'm gonna get some stuff so we can take this mask off. This is gonna be another year with the paper towels. God help us with the paper towels. Oh my God, I gotta go, y'all. I'll be back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a mess and it's nasty. Oh my God, y'all, don't do this. This is the worst little Pinterest. I'ma kill you. Oh my God, my face is itching. Oh my God. Oh my God. God, I pray nothing happened to my face. I pray. I'm suing Pinterest just for allowing people to put pins up like this. Y'all got me with the oatmeal. It is really the new year, Pinterest, and y'all already doing my skin like this. You know, I put on my Instagram that this was the year for great skin, and look at me. I'm being hard. I'm being lied to. Oh my God. put Larimar Elixir on my face, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. I'm going to put this on my face just to help with the irritation and to hydrate my skin. That mask was getting really, really hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm about to drink my face in this. Oh yes. Oh. Do not. Okay, let's just talk about it. We about to get into it. Don't ever put that on your face. That was horrible. To think I was about to do that for a week? No. My face is well, now it's not as irritated because I put Larimar Elixir. Thank God, blue tins. But before I put that on my face was very, very, very normally I don't put this much, so my face is not that shiny. So if it's not a shiny product like that, but I needed a lot to combat that baking soda and aloe vera. I don't know what happened. I'm telling you, I was reading off the ingredients. I don't know. I don't understand. It's some of these ingredients that are in here that reacted to this mask. I don't know. I don't know. I wouldn't put that on my face. I think you should use pure aloe vera gel next time. I'm going to use pure aloe vera gel. I have never used that before, so I didn't know what reaction was going to cause, and it caused, I should have knew when it bubbled up that it was going to be a mess. Don't put that on your skin. It is messy. Look at me looking like, look at even the ear. Look at my rabbit ear is how I feel. One is down. Don't do it, y'all. My skin is so irritated. I want to scratch. That was worse. No, actually, the honey and lemon was worse than that. I don't know. I don't like burning sensations. Once it starts burning or it's irritating the skin, you are likely to get scarring. I don't know. I told y'all my experience with lime or any type of essential oil. I would just put it in my bathtub, let the water run, and I would sit in the bathtub. And this when I was pregnant, and I used to do it a long time ago, you know, when I was pure nothing but natural. Y'all couldn't catch me drinking a diet Dr. Pepper back in the olden days when I was natural, honey, nothing, kombucha all the way. But I'm gonna tell y'all my story and then I'm going to go. One time, I'm telling y'all got to be careful when y'all feel burning sensations. They are not always aiding and helping you. That's when I kind of led to drinking more Dr. Pepper diet and less kombucha, all natural as I used to be because of my experience with these lemon and lime essential oils. Be careful. Like I said, one time I put it into my bathtub, had the water running, it was burning, and I thought it was detoxing me. Little did I know I was getting scarring all over my body. With that being said, do not put pure lime or lemon essential oils in your bathtub. They tend to stick to your skin and will burn you a little bit, maybe like a teaspoon, honey. I was dousing the stuff. Honey, I had probably about 2-3 tablespoons in that bathtub. So, you know, it's probably me. Y'all know I have blonde moments. We talk about my blonde moments a lot. So yeah, that was a blonde moment for me, and I learned it caused scarring. I had the Vaseline up. I had to get the fake stuff and Vaseline up. No coconut oil. I used petroleum jelly on this body, and that's how I helped with the scarring from the lime essential oils. So I was really quick to take this off because, you know, when I start feeling burning and I start feeling irritations on the skin, I take it off real quick like that. No scarring, no nothing, you know. You know, our faces, you know, it's everything we have. And, you know, props all to the confident women who are ever able to do things with scarring. That's, you know, it's hard for all of us. It's rough, you know, so just be careful. Once you feel that burning, it's not always detoxing, okay? Let me just let y'all know that. So anyways, with that being said, love you guys so much. Let me know your comments below about this messy pen. I really think it had a lot to do with that gel from, where is this from? Where is this from? Where is Signature Care? Who is Signature Care? What brand? CVS, Walgreens. I know Walmart is, God, I know it ain't Walmart and it ain't Target. They don't do Signature Care. So we need to find out who does Signature. Is it Fry's? No, Fry's is Kroger, I think. We need to find out what company reps Signature Care so we could, I'm I'm gonna go in on Twitter on there. Okay, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this episode of Test This Care and Care Pen. I'm gonna let Larimar elixir sit on my face, and I am going to get a scrub. Anyways, let me know your comments below, and I'll see you in our next episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Love you guys so much. Bye.